My BoxyCharm got here and I wanted to share with you all what I got. So let's take a look. Here's a little card that tells you more information about the products inside and the prices. Also, this month's theme is the Oasis. The first product I pulled out is from Touch and Soul. This is a skin balm and I've gotten this in a previous box. The next item is from Benefit. This is the Professional. I have received this in a previous box, but I do love it, so I don't mind getting it again. The next item is from Kat Von D. This is a brow pomade. This is supposed to last all day, and I can't wait to try it. The next item is from Cover FX. This is the glitter drops. Here is a swatch of it. I also blended it out on my hand. You can't really see it, but in person it has a lot of glitter. It's really pretty. The last item in the box is from Lashaholic. These are eyelashes. I've never tried them from this brand before, and they are really pretty. I cannot wait to try them. I love getting lashes. Here's everything I received in this month's box. I really do like it. Let me know what you guys received. Like, subscribe, and comment. It means the world. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.